I have some pieces here, parts for a Condiment Caddy. It will look something like this. I got it in SketchUp, and it has here the parts that you can see here, and I'm ready to glue this one up. It's all 3/8 thickness material, and the first thing I'm going to do is insert the bottom into the groove, and position it, about center it a little bit, and then let's just go ahead and put the end pieces in place here. There's a little rabbet here on the front piece and the back piece. And I'm going to glue this with hot glue. I want to put this handle in now first. And actually, I'm going to pin that just to hold it, but I think I'm going to put a little bit of glue on that handle. I'll be able to get it off later, clean it up a little bit. So there's a little bit of glue there. That handle will end up flush, and I'm ready to put some hot glue on this joint here, and then I'll put it on this part. I'm not going to glue the bottom. It's going to be captured, and it will want to move a little bit. So let me see if I can get this positioned into the bottom. Get these joints flush. I've got to work pretty fast here because the hide glue is going to start sticking quickly. I've got some old cut tacks that are like 18th century tacks, and I pre-drilled. I'll put that down in that and that. I pre-drilled I don't like that hammer. Okay, let me get the others started. These are Tremont cut tacks. Or they call them brads. I'm sorry. They're cut brads. Just go right on down. That looks good. Now I can get this side. the bottom piece here is 3/16 thick. Everything else is 3/8. Let me bring that around, and I haven't put any glue on this yet, so let me get that. I haven't slopped the glue. If it's hot hide glue, I can clean it up easily, and it doesn't show in the finish. I really prefer that. Okay, so see if I can get that fitted into the bottom, fitted into the groove. The grooves are 3/16 wide for the 3/16 bottom. And these dados are also 3/16 deep. Okay, so let me make sure, is everything buttoned up pretty good? It's pretty cool to pre-grill with these rats. Otherwise you're going to split the wood. Hang on. Be careful about that one. Or anything. I think it's okay. I'm going to stop there. I can pile that off. Flush. Oh, that's it. That looks like it's going to work now. What I do with the handle is pin it. I'm going to drill a little hole right there. Drill a little hole right there. And I'm going to need a stick to pound on here. I'll drill that down. Going to catch that handle so it won't move. Okay. All right, that's gonna do it. I'll be removing glue and stuff tomorrow, getting this ready for finish. Now that isn't down flush. I don't know why that's... There we go. All right. Condiment Caddy. Little handy thing on the dinner table.